What if I told you that you could create an entire year's worth of coaching content in just one day without burning out or spending hours brainstorming ideas? Sounds impossible, right? But with AI, not only is it possible, it's easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to batch high-value content that keeps your audience engaged and positions you as the go-to expert in your niche. Now, if you're anything like most conscious coaches I work with, you've probably faced this dilemma. You know you need to show up consistently online, but creating content week after week feels overwhelming. You spend hours trying to come up with ideas that align with your message, only to end up second-guessing yourself. And let's be honest, sometimes life happens and content creation falls to the bottom of your to-do list. I get it. You didn't start your coaching business to become a full-time content creator. But here's the thing. Your message deserves to be heard, and AI can help you get it out there faster and more effectively than ever before. So how do you go from content overwhelmed to having a full year's worth of posts, emails, and videos ready to go? The answer is strategic AI prompts. I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful prompts that will save you hours of work and help you create high-value coaching content that resonates with your audience. The first prompt is the pillar content generator. Ask AI, generate 5 pillar content ideas based on my niche of insert niche that solve my ideal client's biggest pain points. This gives you big picture themes that you can break down into smaller, bite-sized content pieces. Think blog posts, social media content, emails, and even podcast episodes. Next, we have the client journey breakdown. Ask AI, map out a 6-step journey my ideal client goes through from problem to solution in niche. Include emotional touch points and questions they might have at each step. This prompt helps you identify the exact content your audience needs at different stages, keeping them engaged and moving toward transformation. And finally, the Authority Builder series. Ask AI, create 10 content ideas that position me as an authority by answering common objections, addressing myths, and providing quick wins. This keeps your audience coming back because they see you as the expert who can solve their problems. But if you're ready to take this even further and really unlock your financial potential, I've got something special for you. Join me for my live Money Wounds to Wealth workshop, where I'll show you how to break through subconscious money blocks that might be holding you back, and how to align your energy with abundance so you can effortlessly attract wealth and success. The link is in the description below. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to creating content for your coaching business? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video gave you some actionable insights, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos. You've got the tools, and now it's time to take action. I'll see you in the next one.